My name is Hafsa from Kenya. We are at EPIC Hospital. We are here with my husband, whose name is Faiz. We have been here for a while. At our country, he was examined and found that there was a very serious problem. So through a friend, we came to EPIC Hospital. When we arrived there, all the tests were done, and we are glad to meet the doctors. Through Dr. Ivanshi and Dave, we were connected to Dr. Anil and Dr. Gupta. Okay, Faiz had very many problems. He had the kidney was not functioning well. It had multiple stones, whereby it was really in a bad shape. That's why we had to see Dr. Kandarp Parikh, who did a very successful operation. And now I can say through Dr. Kandarp doing the operation together with the doctor in charge of cardiac valve, Dr. Anil and Dr. Gupta, they collaborated and cooperated, and it was done well because of this issue with the heart, which had around 18%. It was not even doing okay. But we thank all the doctors, starting with the cardiac doctors plus the one for kidney. We really thank them because now Faiz is well and is doing well within a short period of time. So I'm very grateful for the service of EPIC Hospital. Thank you.